Saru Mall arrived in the African market in March 2019 and started effective business in April. Saru set up its headquarters in Accra, Ghana, and since then it has spread to more than 86 countries worldwide, including Europe and Asia. In addition to Ghana in Africa, Saru is also found in Cameroon, Gabon, Ivory Coast, Benin, Kenya, South Africa, Nigeria, Togo, Dr. Congo, and Burkina Faso, and the list keeps increasing. So now they have more than 50,000 active members worldwide. So what are the plans and goals of the company? So obviously, if you are taking your money and you are trying to invest it in a company, you do want to know what are the plans and the future of that company. Century Hengyu Group, which is known as CHY, joined Saru Group in May 2020. The new partnership invested 20 million to improve the quality and efficiency of Saru Group. So now Saru Mall has joined partnership with Century Hengyu, and now they have become CHY Mall, and this partnership invested an additional 20 million in the company. So you can see that the company is solid and it has a big capital, which means it's not a company that is going anywhere anytime soon. They are here to take over. So their first plan is to create a business plan where everyone wins. So I want you guys to pay attention to this statement and remember it, because we are going to expand it later on. The second plan that they have is to create 200 branches worldwide, 70 warehouses, and thousands of stores in Africa. And then their end goal, or their main goal, is to become the leader of e-commerce industry. They are planning to take over Amazon and every company that is dealing with e-commerce today. So what makes this company special? Why is it that everybody is talking about it? What are the opportunities that CHY Mall can give us that can improve us financially? Let's talk about it. CHY is just a company like eBay, Alibaba, AliExpress, and Amazon. But CHY Mall is different and is special in its own way. This company will not sell you only their products, but they will actually give you an opportunity to buy a shelf or a little shop on their platform where they will sell products for you and you will be making profit. So as you will be buying or doing your shopping from the platform, you will also be making money with them. This is a big opportunity that we are talking about here. So if anybody has told you about CHY Mall, please do pay attention and listen to the video, because this can change your financial situation. CHY Mall can grow your money. If you take your money that you are saving that is there doing nothing and you invest in CHY Mall, CHY Mall within a period of time will give you a profit that will increase your money, and from a little plant your money will become a tree. CHY Mall is built on a foundation of this statement. This is Jack Ma, the richest man in China and the CEO of Alibaba Group. He said, if you want to win in the 21st century, you have to empower others, making sure other people are better than you. Then you will be successful. They are giving us this opportunity to assist us to change our financial positions. At the same time, by helping us, we will be helping the company as well to be successful. So that is the plan. And that is what I was talking about as their first plan, a business plan where everybody wins. They win, and through this opportunity, we win as well when we become partners. So how do we actually make money on CHY Mall? If the company is not only part that is making income, then how do we make money? So CHY Mall will give you an opportunity to buy a shelf or a store on their platform through VIP packages that have different price points and different profits. The first one is called VIP2. With VIP2, when you are registering and buying a store on their platform, you will register with $50. And when you invest, you will trade with $90, having a total of $140 to become a VIP2 partner. The next one is VIP3. Registration will cost you $100 and investing will cost you $180, making a total of $280, and you will become a VIP3 partner. The most famous one to me is the VIP4 package, which takes you $300 to register, and to trade is $540, making a total of $840, and you will become a VIP4 partner. The last one is called VIP5. It's the most expensive one and the one that will give you the most profit. To register, you will need $600. Trading will cost you $1,080, making a total of $1,680. So how does it work? When you become a partner, Chymall will let you buy a product from their retail department or section at 100% cost, and then in the wholesale section or department, they will give you this opportunity where you buy two of the same product at a 60% discount, and in the next step, the company will sell the product within a period of 10 days to 12 days at a retail price of 100% each. And then when they sell it within a period of 10 to 12 days, the company deducts 3% as trading fee. And in the last step, you will be taking your profit. The company pays you your capital and your profit. So whatever you invested, the company is going to pay it back to you within 10 to 12 days. And in addition to that, you will be having your profit. So let's make an example to make it simple. And for the example, we are going to use a VIP4 package. So trading will cost you $300. If you remember, as we said in the first step, we are going to buy a product in the retail. So you buy something from the retail for $300 when you are a VIP4 partner. The second step is wholesale. The company makes you buy 2 times of the same products at 60% discount. So the company is going to give you the same product that you bought for $300 at a 60% discount, which is going to cost you this time only $120. They are going to make you buy 2 of these, and it's going to cost you a total of $240. So as you can see, the total of trading is $540. And then let's work the profit. So in 10 days to 12 days, the company will pay you your profit. The 2 products that you bought for $120, the company will be selling each one of them for $300. So the 2 products will bring you $600, from which, if you remember, in the 4th step, they are going to take deductions. So they are going to take a 3% off your $600, which is $18. And your net income will then become $582. So to calculate your profit, we will take $540 from your $582 and give us a $42 profit. So within 10 days, for investing $540, we will make back $42 as profit. And if someone has 10 VIP4 accounts, they would make $1,260 every month. That is crazy, and this is the massive opportunity that I'm telling you today. If somebody has told you about it, don't play, don't waste time, don't be skeptical, because we are all investing in it. Because as you can see, this is a big opportunity. $42 within 10 to 12 days. You can do all of this with just your fingertips, either on your computer or on your phone, wherever you are. As far as you have internet at home, on your computer or data on your phone, you are ready to go. There is another way of making profit on Chymall through this option, where if you bring people you tell your family members or you tell your friends, you let them know about this big opportunity, and they decide to invest in CHY Mall, the company will pay you for your work, because CHY Mall is a company that does not invest in advertisement. So when you go out and you promote the company pays you a 3% in your first generation. The first generation is when you bring 5 or more people. Whenever each one of them makes a purchase in the new retail area, you would be paid 3% of that purchase. And then there is the second generation. The second generation is simply when the people in your first generation brings more people as well under them. So when people in your first generation brings more people, that one is called second generation. And whenever these people that they brought makes a purchase in the new retail area, you would be paid a 2% of that as well, and you'll be making profit from here as well as making profit from your trading. The company will also pay you rewards like phones and cars when you bring more people and they see that you are building up a big team and you are pushing the company and you are letting people know about this big opportunity. So as you can see here in this picture, this person has done a good work and CHY Mall has given him a Toyota RAV4. And other people, as you can see here on the left and the right, these people have done a good work as well and they have been awarded of cars. And on the left, that is another person, and on the right is the CEO that I was talking to you about at the beginning. He is the man that started all of this. He is the man that is giving us this big opportunity. He is the man that is trying to help us change our financial positions by helping us with this big opportunity. So as you can see on the right, he is a very kind man and he is giving food to the villages in Africa. How kind is that? So as you can see from the poster there, Saru Cares. This is when this company, this opportunity used to be called Saru and now it's called CHY Mall. We are coming to the end of this presentation. I've told you a lot about CHY Mall, who they are, their plans, how they can help you to improve your financial situation. This is a big opportunity. I want you to think about it very well. If you watch this video because somebody told you about it, don't waste time. Take the opportunity. If you are saving your money, there is no bank in this world that in 10 days to 12 days will give you a profit as CHY Mall. This is a big opportunity that you have to take chance of. Do you want to be the person that works from 9 till 5 every day and make someone else rich, being stuck in an office or an industry for 40 years and then depend on the state pension? Or do you want to be the person who invests in an e-commerce business, make yourself rich, work on a beach anytime you want with just your phone, on holidays, on your bed, on your sofa, everywhere you are, you could be making money with CHY Mall. Whoever told you about this, call them back and tell them you are interested to become a partner because you are ready to change your financial position, because that is what CHY does. It helps us and we help them, and it's a win-win business that they have created and it's changing many people's financial situations. And we have thank you for watching.